Hi, I'm Lars Barr. I'm with Axiom Medical Consulting LLC. We're an occupational health company that's going to be in charge of your testing, your COVID testing throughout this semester. I'm the on-site manager. When you come, you're going to come to Leverone Field House to get tested every week. You're going to come twice a week for testing. At the beginning of the semester, you're going to walk over to Leverone Field House, and that's where we're going to conduct a PCR test, which is a little bit more sensitive, and that's again to clear you to go and make sure that you don't have an active infection as well. And then you'll come back on day 3 and on day 7 to get tested. Then for the rest of the semester, you're gonna come back twice a week. And we're gonna walk you through the process, okay? So you enter this door. And then when you come over here, you're gonna just scan your Dartmouth badge. So we do recommend that you keep your Dartmouth badge with you. If not, you can use another ID. Then you're gonna be asked the following COVID-19 questions. You're gonna be asked, do you have a fever of 104 or higher? Any possible symptoms of COVID-19? Do you have a change in sense, taste of smell? Have you had close contact with someone who's suspected or confirmed to have COVID-19 the prior 14 days? In the last 14 days, have you traveled outside of the following states, which will be the New England states? You're not going to be allowed to travel outside of those without entering into quarantine. Of course, when you come back, most of you have been traveled outside, that's fine. If you had a positive test for COVID-19 in the last 90 days, if you answer yes to any of these, you will have to be required to go back to your dorm. Again, like I said, most of you will be traveling. That'll be fine when you first come back. Alrighty, and then you also get your temperature taken. Again, if you're higher than 100.4, you're gonna be asked to go back to your dorm and you'll have to go to Dick's house, okay, for screening. All right, and so then once you're checked in here, you're gonna go over to get tested. All right, so this is also, so once you get registered, this is how you'll get your results. It's gonna be from CareEvolve. You're gonna get an email, register for an account, and then you'll regularly be able to get your results as you're tested throughout the semester. All right, we'll go on this way. So you'll come around here and you're gonna be registered. So have you come along this side. Right, you're gonna put your ID down on the tray. And then we'll find like, hi, what's your last name? And then we're gonna ask your date of birth. And I'm gonna go through and create an order. All right, and I'm gonna take one of these labels. It's just test patient right now, but ask if this is the proper spelling of your name and date of birth. Once you've confirmed that, then you take this. You're gonna be told to go wait on one of the numbers over here. Right, you're gonna wait here. One of the testers is gonna pull you back. For right now, for purposes, I'm just gonna go back with you. So you're gonna come over to a table. A tester is gonna ask, can you please open up your tube and set it on the tray? You just pull it open like this and set it down. At this point, you can take some hand sanitizer, sanitize up, and then you'll be asked to lower your face mask. Then you take a tissue and just make sure you're not pointing towards anybody. You're gonna take it, you're gonna blow your nose. And then you have a swab, which is essentially just a Q-tip. You're gonna open it up and you're gonna take the swab, and then you're gonna put it up your nose, circle 4 times, hold for 10 seconds, and then repeat on the other side. So it just looks like this, and it's only the tip of your nose. I promise you won't tickle your brain. So you're just gonna go like this, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then you hold it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and then you go to the other side. And then if there's no debris or blood on it, then you can put it down, cotton tip down. You're gonna cap it. You're gonna leave it on your tray, put your mask back up, grab some sanitizer, and you're good to go. All right, and then you're gonna go and you're gonna exit this way out. When you're first coming, you'll grab your luggage and you'll go onto your dorm.